Hi guys, welcome to the another section of the complete web development course guys. In this video, we are going to give somewhat styling to our web page guys. This is the web page which we have created in last video guys, and this is the coding of the website, and this is the CSS style script of that web page. This is the web page. Now I'm going to delete the background image guys, and I'm replace the background image with another beautiful stuff guys. Now I'm going to delete this. Okay. The background image is at the body level. Where is the body? Okay, here is our body. I'm going to delete this our background image. Okay guys, it have been saved automatically, and also you don't require these attachments because there is no background image. We don't require those attachments guys. It has been automatically saved. Let me comment out this. Now I am reloading. See, we have all stuff which we are written is there, but they are due to our background image color. It's a totally white. The background is invisible. Now I want to use some animating stuff to this background guys, like somewhat color at here, somewhat color at here, and some animations like blah. Without any wasting time, I will show the animation for how we can create. Now I am going with you guys with scratch. I am not last before the videos. I have shown you how I try to build the website and shown you how to build it. Now I'm going with you guys. I'm attacking it directly. Here I need to require a body guys, because body has a margin. I think I don't require margin. I require margin of 0. I'm going to save this. I'll, I want to require an HTML. I want to require a HTML of height 100% guys. I need these both things. I need a body of a margin 0 and an height of an HTML 100%. Here or we don't need, I think we should, I didn't modify all the stuff here which have been written here. I only take some div. I only take some divs like div with a class as bg as in background, and another div with a class of bg space bg2, another div I will have, because this is a one background, this is the second background, means the background which this is the one which have permanent background, and placing with another background. Here also I want to place the div with original background with the another background. Okay guys, I need these three divs. We should modify these three divs in our styling guys. I am going to here our styling pages. I need to require first bg. our background. This is our background. I need to change our background as an animation. Animation, it should be like slide animation, slide 3 seconds, sorry, 3 seconds. Animation slide as 3 seconds, easy in and out. I will give infinity and alternative. Easy in and out as an infinity alternative. Slide, it's an slide 3 seconds. Okay guys, now I want to give an background image. I think background image as linear gradient. I will give a linear gradient with the some angle. I will give 70 degrees of angle with an color. For this case, I am going to give somewhat an green color with an 50% of opacity, and also I will give an I will use somewhat blue color. I think 09. Okay, F is good, and also with 50% of opacity. Okay, guys, with the bottom is 0, and left is with the left side. Image should be bottom is 0, and left side should be 50% opacity. I should really need an opacity of 0.5. Okay, 0.5 of opacity. Position is should be fixed, right? Our position of the background, our original background has an animation with a background of linear gradients with 70 degrees elevation, means it will be somewhat cross, and with the color of in green and blue. Our bottom is 0, means there is no bottoms, and left side with 50 minus 50% opacity. Okay guys, now I should require a right and top. I will give an right of minus 50%, sorry guys, minus 50%, and then top of 0. We require bottom, left, right, top. I think 4 sides have been registered. Now I should give an x-axis, and sorry, I should give an z-axis element, means z index to -1. Okay guys, we have finished our background styling of one of my background. Let me check it here. See, it given somewhat angle with a blue and green. If we change this the styling, if we change this to plus, I'm going to reload this. Let me check. It will be change an alternative. Yeah, the angle is yourself guys, 70, 60, your wish. The angle is your wish. I'll reload it. See, you can see the angle has been changed. Now I should have to change this background 2 and background 3. Now I am going here, I am going to bottom dot bg2, and I will give an animation, sorry, and animation duration. I will give an animation duration for 4 seconds. Animation direction, I should also give an animation direction. alternative and reverse. I have given an BG2, now I'll go for BG3 or background image 3. I will give an animation duration here. Only animation duration. Just an animation duration of 5 seconds. Okay. I am going to save this thing. Okay guys, we have finished our all of background. Let me check it now. Think there is no background has been doesn't animated right now. Let me have something. Check this. Okay. Check. All are been checked. Think we should have something. Yes, guys. We have forgotten about keyframes, guys. Keyframes. I will give the keyframes at the last. I will give an key keyframes. Uh, think slide. Send slide, guys. We have given the keyframe slide at here. Yes, we have no. The slide is here. This keyframe slide should be there. First, 0%. 0% should be something, and 100%. 100% should be something. Our keyframe should be transformed. They should be transformed like an animation. You can see the transformation animation after I am refreshing. Transform into translate. Transform translate minus 25%. Okay, here is an error, smaller error. Okay guys, I am going to copy this thing. I'm going to paste it here with an sorry with an plus 20 here minus 20. Now check what the magic will goes. Yes, you can see guys, the animation has been done. See, our sliders are going moving up and down. Our animation has been done very gratefully, and even we can change the colors from here, like giving an orange here, giving an somewhat blue, and here I will give an elevation of 90. Sorry, here 90 90 degrees elevation. Now reload it. See, we will have like this animation. 90 is and cross axis will be very great. 45 is I think more cross. Yes, excellent. 45 is very good for these animations, and the color is also very great to look and to our sight. Okay guys, I think even we should can change the background as 5 seconds for background to see the background 5 seconds. There will be no change for 5 seconds. You can give the changes, you can see the changes if it goes to 15 seconds. See, it's coming very late, somewhat late, more late, somewhat not more late. 4 is great. Think I'll give 1. Let's play with this, guys. I'm not feeling satisfied. Let's play with that things. Excellent. Okay, it's moving too fast. Too fast. Okay, I will be here 3. I can provide it an 2. I'm playing, guys. Background is your wish, guys. You should play our UI designs. You should have to design your UI very gratefully. You should want to play the things. Even you can play with these things. I am trying. I'm okay with these things, so I am not changing that. You can play with those things with an animations, like you can change with the colors, like red, red and blue is a great combination, guys. I think red and blue is not a great. I think yellow and somewhat green. I think you should need to require. Okay, what's the thing happen? Sorry, something has happened. Okay, okay, green. Think green is great. I think green and yellow is looking great now. With an website, it's scrolling. It is also looking great. I think this color, border K color is not great. Not looking great. I should go here. I want to change that color to somewhat. Okay, guys, I will go and take the colors from yellow color hunt.go. I need. Okay, I will copy this color. I am going to paste it at here. Okay, guys, I think this color is great. I think. Let me check. Please visit my website for more information. For more information, please. Yes, you can see quarter K color has been changed. It's looking great. Okay, guys, let me packing up this code. Can also animate. I'm going to show more animating stuff for you guys. If you need to require more and more animating stuff, guys, please visit our blogs, guys. We are going to give an more animating stuff for you. Within 2 days we are going to provide a more and more animating stuffs, guys, with animated codes. You can go and play with those codes and make enjoy with those codes. You can even design more gratefully than this, guys. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video, guys. Last thing, I'm going to share you something. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Please, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. It is very low, guys. Please subscribe to it. I'm giving a great stuff to you, guys. Please watch all of these videos, guys. If you need more than these videos, can talk to me. Like you can provide, YouTube has provided a comment box. You can comment me. I will see that the comments and I will definitely give an heart symbol if you comment it 1 day or 2 days. If you comment anytime, I will be required anytime, but not in night times, because I am also a human. Please subscribe it and do and comment like this video, guys. Please, I'm providing a great stuff to you. I'm think I'm providing a great stuff. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon, guys. For more updates, please visit our website, guys. Here we are also in our website we are providing the great stuff, guys. Great stuff. Here, see, can can get the great stuff from our websites and our from our YouTube channel. Please support us, subscribe us. If you give and subscription and like button, we'll get more motivation, guys. More motivation to do the things like this, and we also provide more stuff, guys. Please, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, guys, I'm leaving now. Until the next video, I'm signing off, guys.